So further to the unboxing of these Horizon keypads, I just thought I'd install them in a triple gang configuration for anyone wanting to know what that looked like. The only tricky thing I see is maybe just getting the lines perfect across, but you got tons of real estate to work with. To put it in perspective with the cameos, it makes these look tiny. And like I said before, the triple and the double trim rings have not been released yet, so if you are installing double or triple configurations with the Horizon keypad, you'll just have to let her be like this on the wall for now. But they fit well, and another thing I wanted to point out was the sound that the buttons make. I know a lot of people don't like the click that the cameo buttons made. In retrospect, I seem to like it. Some of the clients do, but these buttons are a little more muted. They only ship with 5-button configuration. If you want to have, a large button configuration, you need to place the engraving order because they only ship with 5 smalls. They seem to match fairly closely the original cameo keypad ring. That would be the white. The only 2 other colors the Horizon keypad comes in right now are almond and black. For comparison, that's what they look like against the white. So that's what they look like on the back. Occupancy sense input, or another type of contact closure, maybe for a front doorbell or something. But we'll see how the programming and the control spec is once I get them in, and maybe I'll put up another vid. See ya.